Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to AppSec's online support program class 1 week 14. Subject is integrated studies. Textbook Stepping Stones 1 page number 66 to 73. Chapter number 4 topics are food and shelter for animals, animals as a source of food and transport, domestic animals and wild animals. Resources required: laptop, computer, cell phones, and textbook. Introduction of the lesson. Like us, animals also need food and shelter to live. Animals are a source of food and transport. Pet animals and farm animals are domestic animals. Wild animals live in jungle. Thought of the day. Do good and good will come to you. Objective. Students will be able to learn about the importance of animals and difference between domestic and wild animals. Success criteria. Keeping in view the mentioned topic, listen, understand and answer the questions. Importance of animals. Critical thinking question. So the student, you have to think about the answer of the questions. Questions are: what are domestic animals? Think about the answer. Yes, pet animals and farm animals are domestic animals. Where do wild animals live? Yes, wild animals live in jungle. Which animals give us eggs? Yes, hen and birds give us eggs. Which animals are kept for meat and milk? Yes, goat and cow are kept for meat and milk. Food and shelter for animals. Food. Animals also need water, air and food to stay alive. Different animals need different types of food. Some animals eat leaves, stems and fruits of plants. For example, horse, goat, parrot and giraffe. Some animals eat grains and seeds. For example, mouse, sparrow, hen. Some animals eat insects and worms. For example, spider, frog, and lizard. Some animals eat the flesh of other animals. For example, eagle, snake, lion. Shelter. Animals also need shelter to stay safe from heat, cold and rain. Different animals live in different types of homes. Some animals live in shelters dug in the ground. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Snakes and rats live in holes. Animals as a source of food and transport. Turkey, hens, ducks and geese give us eggs. Turkey, hen, duck, goose, cow and goat. Cows and goats are kept for meat and milk. Some animals carry loads for us. For example, camel, horse, elephant, bullocks and tanga. Domestic animals. Pet animals and farm animals are domestic animals. Pet animals. We keep some animals at home. They are pet animals. For example, cat, dog, fishes. Domestic animals, farm animals. Some animals are kept outside at the farm. They are farm animals. For example, sheep, cow, ducks, hens. Care of domestic animals. Domestic animals depend on us for food and shelter. Proper food keeps them healthy. They need our love and care. Do you know, students? National animal of Pakistan is markhor, which is a kind of goat. It mostly lives in northern areas of Pakistan. Look at this picture, it's a markhor. Do you know the national bird of Pakistan is chakor? Look at this picture, it's a chakor. Wild animals. Some animals live in jungle, some live in fields or in water. They are wild animals. They eat other animals or plants found in the places they live in. For example, zebra, tiger, monkey, shark. Now watch the video carefully.
Look at the animals. They all make food. Look, can you see the eggs? How many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 eggs. Where do eggs come from? Eggs come from chickens. How many chickens can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 chickens. They lay eggs every day. Look, can you see the honey? Yum, yum. Where does honey come from? Honey comes from bees. How many bees can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bees. They make honey in their hives. Look, some milk and some cheese. Where do milk and cheese come from? Milk and cheese come from cows. How many cows can you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cows.
Recap. So what we have learned today? Today we have learned animals also need foods and shelter. Animals are a source of food and transport for us. Pet animals and farm animals are domestic animals. Wild animals live in jungle. National animal of Pakistan is markhor. The national bird of Pakistan is chakor. Home assignments. Guide the child to do following question on loose sheet. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Question number 2. Learn the following spelling of the words given below. Shelter, borrow, wild, domestic. Thank you, students. Take care of yourself. Take care of your parents. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.